Welcome back to our channel, dedicated to providing you with expert advice. Today, we're thrilled to unveil our carefully tested and proven top 5 padlock recommendations for unparalleled security. Let's jump right in. Our inaugural selection, the Defender Lock, stands out for its unmatched strength and durability. Crafted with a hardened steel shackle and robust construction, this padlock creates an impenetrable fortress for safeguarding your valuable possessions. Next on the list is the Guardian Lock, meticulously designed to deter even the most determined criminals. Its unique anti-pick technology ensures that only the rightful keyholder can access your belongings, providing you with the peace of mind you deserve. For those in search of maximum security, the Abloy Lock is your go-to choice. This high-performance padlock features an advanced locking mechanism resistant to picking and cutting, guaranteeing your property's protection. Need versatility across various applications? The Master Lock is the answer. Whether for your gate, shed, or storage unit, this padlock offers outstanding resistance to drilling and sawing, ensuring your possessions stay safe and secure. And speaking of security, watch our video on why you must rekey your locks after moving for additional essential insights. Last but certainly not least, we introduce the Fortress Lock, a true guardian of your property, boasting a hardened boron alloy shackle and an intricate locking system. This padlock provides unparalleled protection against break-ins and theft. Our top 5 padlock recommendations for ultimate security. Remember, choosing a reliable padlock is crucial for the safety of your possessions and your peace of mind. Follow us on Instagram for the latest security updates, exclusive insights from our locksmiths and special offers on our top-notch services. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more expert tips on maintaining a secure environment. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.